Super excited to actually show you and make you listen to the AM8 microphone setup that I was sent for my review. This is the microphone itself right here. Now I am using another AmpliGame FIFINE microphone right here, and we're going to do the comparison between the two. This is my main mic. This is what I use for every single video that I shoot, but this mic here I believe is a little different. This thing has a really cool look. It will obviously hook up to this arm automatically, obviously just like it's compatible, but this setup has a completely look at this, completely different type of arm. So it is a retractable arm, like, you know, like obviously like accordion style arm, but the cool thing is the light that you see. I can change the light, and I'm going to see if I can see the difference in light. Yeah, look at that. That's a running light. I've got blue. I've got running light for, oh man. It's so cool. Let me see. Yeah. Look at this. All these different patterns and running lights there. It's super nice. It's not just an LED kind of strip that's like taped in there. It is literally caked in. It's embedded into that metal beam, which is really cool. And of course, you have that that little attachment for the microphone to fit in perfectly. So that's that. That is pretty cool in itself. But of course, we're talking about a microphone. We're talking about what does it sound like? What is the difference between the two? Is it able to do like really nice warm tones? Is it able to have a little bit more of a, maybe a dampening effect on noise reduction, right? So let's talk about the actual mic itself. It's got a knob in the middle, and the knob in the middle, you literally have three different options, or, you know, dynamism, if that even is a word, changing the way this mic will pick up your voice. And I will go through those in just a second. The really cool thing is that there is a one-tap mute. So if I just tap like this, I'll go like that. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, it goes all red. That means this mic is not working anymore until I tap it again and it goes. I love being able to see look at that. You can see the LED, the light, as I'm talking, as it's lively taking my voice in. The really cool thing with this is that it is USB-C, just like this one, but this one is a little bit different. This one, if you want XLR, it does have XLR output, which is pretty cool, because then if you've got a system that, you know, connects with XLR, maybe an audio interface, definitely use this. This is definitely going to be working and going to be powered, phantom power through that XLR. I think that's great. You can change, as you can see, there's a button where I can change all of the different kind of colors. If I want to have like multicolor, I'm going to go back to multicolor. I think it's pretty cute. There you go. Oh, there we go. Now am I already? Oh, this is only working when it's sensing my voice. So let's go back to, there you go. That's a really nice color. It's just going round and round with different colors. Very cool. But we're not here to just look at colors. We're here to see if this mic is going to sound good. So I'm going to be at the same level. I'm going to speak the same way I'm speaking right now. And we're going to do a test. And I'm going to be live switching between the two. So right now I'm with this mic that's on this arm. And I'm going to hold this one here. And we're going to see. I'm going to even hold it the same way that this one is, like that. And we're going to switch. It's going to turn off all of mics for just a second. And now I'm on this one right here, the AM8 mic. What do you think? Obviously, I'm holding it, so you can probably hear kind of the artifact here. But what does it sound like? Is it sounding good? I'm going to press the button right here so we can change the dynamics of the mic, see what's better, if it sounds even better. And I'm going to press it again, and I'm going to go and talk the same way I was talking before. And keep in mind, I'm going to press it again. Keep in mind, I am not altering the effects on this audio. I'm not going to add any dampening effect or any volume up or down between the two. I'm just going to leave it clean right out of the box. So basically, see what that sounds like. I'm going to go back to the original here. And now I'm back to the original. how did that sound? What did you think? That's where I love doing tests like this, because you can literally see the difference, comparing apples to apples. But if you're actually comparing or seeing if this mic is for you, you do get the arm, the really beautiful, this is the first time I've ever seen this, really beautiful, colorful arm LED like that. I think it's, wow, it's super cool. Very different. Really cool if you're doing a video podcast type of thing where people have that kind of visual aspect. And I love the visual aspect as well on the mic itself. So yeah, I think FIFINE and AmpliGame make incredible audio devices, and this one is like no other.